All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My volume was really low. I'm sorry. Let's start that over. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are you doing, baby? Holy. Happy, what's today? Thursday? Happy Thursday. Chat. What's up? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We got Remy. We got JB Money. Holy. We got Paul. We got G-Man. We got Upstate Futures. We got Zimze. Holy. Holy moly, chat. I was Mr. Agent, bro. I had tech issues out the yin yang, brother. Holy. I mean, my fucking yesterday, bro, my camera didn't want to work properly. Streamlabs didn't want to connect to YouTube. I just couldn't do anything yesterday, dude. It's like I wasn't meant. I had my red day yesterday. Chat, I wasn't supposed to be alive yesterday. I think that's just it. I don't think I was supposed to exist yesterday. TRADEIFY had issues, couldn't log in. There's so much happened yesterday that went wrong. It's crazy. Crazy, chat. We got Trader's Nest. Good morning. I'm good. How are you? Tris, good morning. Bo, how am I feeling after the red day yesterday? I feel great. I mean, listen, the red day did not affect me one bit. Is it sad to see the green streak come to an end? Of course, right? Of course. It's sad to see the green streak come to an end, but the red day didn't affect me. I mean, we're still here. We're alive, right? I paid myself 10 grand yesterday out of my account just to make it real, right? It's real money, real account. Wanted to make it real and put it in my pocket, so I paid myself 10,000 out of the money that we made. And yeah, I actually paid myself. Well, I actually withdrew a little bit more this morning. I'm bringing my balance back down to 50,000, chat, because we grew it to 75,000. I'm bringing my balance back down to 50K, and I'm gonna pay myself everything after 50. Just to start paying myself, start making it real. Like we've built a buffer in the account. We started with 25K, and now we're at 50. I mean, we've built a nice cushion. At this point, we're just playing with house money. You know what I mean? So anything I make after 50K, which is now pretty much, I'm just gonna pay myself, put it in the pocket, and make it real. So I want to start paying myself and making sure I'm rewarded for what I do. Thought I was gonna do 100K. Yeah, I thought about it, but at the end of the day, the difference between trading with 50K and 100K there is no difference. There's no difference. Maybe one contract more on position sizing, and that's it. But I want to start making it real. You know what I mean? I want to start making it real, start putting money in my pocket, and start using that money to fund other things. I had a convo with some other traders while it's at the event, some big traders like Kane and Dodgy and some other people there, and they gave me some advice and stuff, and the difference between 50K and 100K is very, very slight, believe it or not. And so it's not worth going to 100K, because if there was a day, just say, because I am human, let's just say that there's a day that I tilt, well, I would rather tilt with 50K than with 100K when position sizing is the same. You know what I mean? It doesn't really make a whole lot of sense. And they really broke it down for me and helped me with that. So I'm going to stay at 50 and just pay myself. Now, if I start like just bankrolling, right? And if I keep bankrolling in the account, and I'm just paying myself, I can always put another 50 in and go to 100, right? That's not ever going to be an issue. But why not just pay myself out after 50, put money in the bank, put money in the pocket, use that money to fund other things and chill, right? Maybe take the family on vacations and stuff. Maybe go travel a little bit, go spend time elsewhere. Miss K, good morning, beautiful. How are you? Do I think that making money with a big account will be more difficult? No, I don't think so. I think I could see it being more challenging on as far as like the mental side, right? If you're sizing up. But I feel comfortable living at like 1 to 2 contracts on minis, right? And a 50K account is plenty for that. If I'm just trading like 1 to 2 minis, a 50K is plenty, right? I don't need 100K to trade 1 to 2 minis. I don't think I'm even ready to go to 3 to 4 minis, to be honest with you. So at that point, if I did that, I mean, maybe go to maybe a 100K account would be better for that, obviously. But I don't think I'm ready to do that. Like I'm cool with 1 to 2 minis. Chat, give me just a second. I will be right back. Is there a duck race today? Yes, there is a duck race today. We are doing a giveaway. BRB. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Yo, gold's moving, chat. Holy. We got gold on the move, baby. You're 1 contract on gold. Nice. Business Lens, are you flirting with Miss K? Yo, chat, hold on. We got to set the vibes, right? We got to set the vibes. Candle, hold on. Hold on. Let's get it lit. Let's get the candle lit, chat. Hold on. There it is. There it is, chat. Cheers. Vibes. You know the deal. You know the deal. Oh. Don't spark at me. Holy. Golly, baby. Holy fuck, dude. We have a 48-point ATR on the 1 minute on the NASDAQ? What the hell? Don't burn down the office. Yeah, for real. It started sparking, bro. I was like, what the fuck? What was I gonna look at? Oh yeah. News. Nvidia warns Trump China chip rules would hurt export plan. Okay. We do have jolts coming out at 9 o'clock, chat. Here in about 17 minutes. So be aware. Be aware, chat. Be aware. Jolts is going to inject some volatility, baby. The volatility will be inbound when Jolts comes out. Oh shit, I need to make sure TradeSyncer's all set up on. Chat, y'all need to remind me, bro. I need y'all to put like, I need y'all to type in the comments to remind me to set up TradeSyncer and make sure it's all good to go. Like I count on you guys, bro. All right, TradeSyncer's all set up. Bang, bang. Chat, just a reminder, in 15 minutes, we got Jolts coming out. There's going to be a lot of volatility. Gold has a 10.1 minute ATR, chat. Sheesh. 1 to 2 micros is all you need on gold, baby. Also, chat, I don't know if y'all saw, but Top Step and Apex have restricted metals. You cannot trade metals with them anymore due to volatility. I don't know if y'all saw that. I don't know if other firms will follow suit. I don't know. I haven't heard anything. I haven't heard anything on TRADEIFY's end. But yeah, just be aware. Be aware. Be aware, baby. Oh, you can with Top Step? I thought Top Step restricted it. Did I see that wrong? Hold on. I know Apex did. I thought Top Step did too. Volatility on fake sims hilarious. Yeah, I agree with you. Yeah, Top Step said they halted medals. Did I see that wrong? They halted many versions of medals. Oh, okay. I thought they halted it altogether. Apex, on the other hand, they even halted micros. They halted minis and micros. So you can't trade minis with Apex or trade medals with Apex. Period. Hmm. Hmm. Top Step and Apex are predatory firms. I don't know about Top Step. I wouldn't say Top Step's predatory. They just had issues, but they're coming out the other end of it. The intraday trailing drawdown is what's predatory. That, I mean, even other prop firm owners have admitted that it is predatory. Top Step is a good firm. They're a great firm, dude. I mean, they're the grandfathers of the space. They have great plans. Bielka, hola. Nasdaq's trying to catch a little bit of a bid. Gold trying to catch a little bit of a bid. Everything trying to catch a little bit of a bid, chat. Everything trying to catch a little bit of a bid. We got 10 minutes until Jolts comes out, chat. Be aware. Don't get cooked. If you're in positions, just be aware that Jolts is coming out in 10 minutes and it's going to inject some serious volatility. So don't get cooked. It's crazy. We have a 48.1 minute ATR, chat. Holy. Crazy. $49.1 minute ATR. And it's fixing to go up too when Jolts comes out. Last night I reached the profit target on my TRADEIFY 50K select. Yo, GG's, baby. Holy. Bielka coming in hot. Holy moly. Do I have to wait till the end of the day? Yes. It'll be sometime after the close. It could be around like, you know, a couple hours after the close, something like that. But yeah, it'll get activated at the end of the day today. Oh man. So you passed already? See. Yep. If you hit that profit target, baby, you passed. You good. Congrats. I better see it on the Instagram story, Bielka. You better throw it up on the Insta, baby. Gold catching a little bit of sellers here. I better switch to MGC before I accidentally throw on a mini on gold, bro. Holy. Never post anything about trading though. I mean, hey, listen. Let them know. Let them know, Bielka. Let them know. Let the world know, baby. But fuck it, I'll do it. Hell yeah, you will. Hell yeah, you will. Chat reminder, Jolts comes out in 5 minutes. Cinco minutos. You're gonna get a little cray cray. A little bit of volatility, chat. Be aware. Don't get cooked. Also, chat, since we do have the tech issues resolved from last night, there will be an Asia stream tonight. We got to cook up on an Asia stream. And also, as a reminder, I will not be live tomorrow. Tomorrow, I will be out of town for the day. Just as an FYI. FYI. Gold kind of consolidating here. Waiting for Jolts to come out. NASDAQ's testing 800s. Joel's getting ready to come out in a few minutes. Be aware, chat. Be aware. Might get a little wiki. What happens if you pass the consistency for the day? You'll have to just make a little more to either pass your eval or to get a payout. For show. For show. Red line on my chart's ATR, yes. Yeah. You see it right here. This is ATR. This is the ATR for gold right now. It's 11-point ATR on gold on the 1 minute time frame. If I go to the 5 minute, it's gonna be a lot more. 5 minutes, 23 points. Wowzers. Wowzers. So I use to calculate risk somehow? Yes, I do. Yeah, I use that to basically tell me like how big I should size, right? Because it matters. If you have a big ATR and you position size yourself the way you normally do, you can get absolutely cooked, right? Because especially if you trade out market structure, right? If your stop loss is based off market structure, what used to be like, a decent stop loss on a higher ATR, it may look like a decent stop loss, but it's actually a lot bigger than you think, right? And so I always size down a little when ATR is much higher because, again, it's a little extra volatility. Don't want to get cooked. You know what I mean? All right, here's Jolts. Gold getting a big little pop there. Nasdaq, not so much. All right, Nasdaq's getting a move down. Gold getting a move down as well. Big wick on gold there. Holy. Big wick. Still getting a little wicky here. Nasdaq's trying to move down to the lows. If gold holds this, I'm not opposed to longing gold if it can hold that area. I don't want to see it make a big push down though. I mean, this looks like a good flag to long. Nasdaq's still working down the lows. Nasdaq could potentially make a new low on the day. All right, gold's breaking down that flag, so gold's getting a little weak. Gold trying to catch a bid here. NASDAQ hasn't quite run the lows yet. It's trying to hold it. Interesting bid on gold. Let's see if gold wants to hold that. Gold's trying to hold. I'm gonna size down to 2 micros if I take a trade on gold, just because the ATR is 13 points on the 1 minute. I don't need to be trading 5 micros on that. I'm watching NASDAQ here. I want to see if NASDAQ's gonna run these lows and see what gold does here. NASDAQ's trying to go back down the lows again. Gold's still acting a little weak. We are just kind of in the middle of the range, though, which I don't like on gold. Looking at NASDAQ, NASDAQ is trying to run these lows here. We'll see if NASDAQ runs it. Oops. NASDAQ could run those lows there. Chat, look at this ATR on the 1 minute. We're on a 1 minute time frame. The ATR is 43 points on a 1 minute candle. That's just crazy, bro. Insane. So if you are trading NASDAQ or gold, make sure your size down. Don't get screwed trading bigger size, because these candles are a lot bigger than you think they are. I mean, just taking this like small candle right here, chat, right? We'll take the top of this small candle down to the bottom of it, 38 points, bro. That 1 minute candle is 38 points. Just saying, be careful. Be careful. Things are volatile. Redneck trades in the building, baby. What's up? Some volatility, yeah, it's crazy. We getting some volatility, man. We getting a little volatility. Chat, anybody in Mexico? I'm gonna be in Mexico at the end of the month. I'll be out in Playa del Carmen. If anybody's out in Mexico. I'll be there at the end of the month. NASDAQ's getting ready to run these lows. The lows might get ran, baby. See if NASDAQ runs it here. Let's zoom out real quick. Just take a little look at some levels here. And we don't really have any level. Anything? There we go. Okay, so some levels lower here. NASDAQ's holding on for dear life on this low. Holding on for absolute dear life, baby. Holy. There we go. The low has been taken. In this case, I'm holding on to life dearly. Holy. Oh no. All right, so we took the low on NASDAQ. I'm interested in taking a long by holding this low here. So I'm gonna take the long. See if we can get a pump up here. Can we get a pump? No, no pump. No pump. I am on eval too, chat, so I'm trading a little bit of size here. I only need a little bit. Nice. We'll take it off there. We'll take it off there. That put me up. All right, that put me up 600, chat. 600. Bang, bang. You love it. Let's go look at gold. There was a little bit of lag on TradingView just then. All right, let's go look at gold. What's gold doing? Gold is still just ranging, bro. Gold still just ranging. Not really happening, not really doing a whole lot. All right, that actually, wait, hold on. That actually passed my evals too. Sweet. All right, well, I passed some evals. There you go. What I do here? Yeah. Okay. Sweet. All right. Well, those evals are passed. All right, we're gonna switch to the personal now. Switch to the personal. And there we go. Make sure I'm on MNQ. We'll throw on, oh, glad I took that trade off. Holy shit. I'm not gonna lie, I threw on a little bit of size just to get the accounts passed. Definitely don't recommend doing that, chat. I just wanted to get the accounts passed. That way I don't got to mess with it and I can just switch to my personal. All right. Don't recommend it. Gold choppy, yeah, it does seem pretty choppy. Does seem pretty choppy. Gold or Nasdaq still just working its way down here. Nasdaq still making some new lows. Wonder why gold's so choppy right now. I mean, it is really just ranging. While Nasdaq's making new lows, I'm gonna wait for it to just kind of chill out, do its thing for a minute. See if gold can give us any kind of levels here, bro. Any kind of levels. Nasdaq's getting a big push down. Gold's trying to get a push down as well. Bro, the bids, they like, it's so crazy. If you look at Nasdaq, dude, like making its way down here, when it catches a bid, dude, it just catches a bid. Like, look at this. Like, this candle doesn't seem that big, but if you look at it, 38 points just out of nowhere. And look at this. Look at this. Like, what the hell, bro? Jesus Christ. The bids are bidding. I mean, right there, chat, from the low that we were just at to the very top is 100 points almost. 97 points. This bid right here is 97 points, chat. Insane. Like, actually, it's fucking crazy. Makes me wonder if Nasdaq's going to squeeze back up here. It's got me interested. Got me interested, chat. I'm interested. I would like some sort of pullback though first. I don't want to long it where it's at. If I can get some sort of pullback here. Still trying to catch a bid. I want to see a pullback down in like the 90s. Or if it's even going to give me the 90s, it might just rip up and not give me anything. Maybe pull back here. I mean, it just will not pull back for me, chat. It will not pull back for me. But the moment I get in long here, it's going to pull back. I just know it. It happens to me all the time. I literally get long here, it's going to dip. There's just no doubt about it. All right, I'm going to long it there. See if they can get me the move back above 57s. That would be great. Above 57s, we move to stop the break even. But we need the bid to hold here. Come on, buyers. Gotta hold the bid, baby. Gotta hold the bid. There you go. Go ahead and send it. I don't like that pullback off running those highs there. I don't want to move my stop just yet. I'll move my, actually, here, what I will do though is, oh my God, bro, why can't I move my stop to the low there? Yeah, see, I don't like that, bro. I don't like that dip. We ran these highs here and then pulled back off of it. Don't love that. Buyers gotta really hold this. That doesn't look good for our long. Damn. Yeah, I might get tapped on this, chat. That's a lot of weakness from running those highs. Might get tapped. You faded me and hit. I mean, it looks like fading me was the play. We got into, I mean, we technically were in 53 points of profit on that. It just, I wanted to see a little bit more push. Wanted to see a little bit more. Oh, maybe they try again, chat. Hold on. Hold on, baby. Maybe we try it again. Wait a minute. I don't want to go to break even yet because there's a lot of volatility. I want to get a good solid push above 65 before I go to break even. Oh, come on, buyers, bro. Why you got to do that again, dude? Why do we got to fade? Look at the wicks here, bro. Again, chat. That's crazy. That's crazy, chat. Wow. Look at that. Look at that, dude. That's fucking dirty. That's just insanely dirty. Insane, bro. Nasty Nas, dude. Nasty Nas. It's crazy. Nasdaq acting diabolical. Yeah, that's insane, bro. To have those wicks like that, dude. I mean, I'm gonna get topped here, obviously, but that wick is 48 points, dude. 48 point wick. This wick here, 44-point wick. Wicks are insane right now. These wicks and moves are crazy today. Yeah, they are. They're actually insane. I mean, look at this, dude. Like, what the fuck is this, chat? Can we talk about it, dude? Like, now watch. It's gonna fucking wick down. It's gonna act like it's gonna buy, and then it's gonna fucking wick on me, dude. Insane. I mean, look, dude. Look, insane. Insanity, chat. Here we go. Let's wick it again. It's like, Jesus Christ, bro. NASDAQ, stop being a little bitch and just go. Holy shit. What's up, Chris? Bro. 3 wicks, chat. Look at that. All of them screwing me. This trade is painful, chat. I'm not gonna lie. This is painful, chat. It really is. Pure pain. I'm going through it, chat. I'm not gonna lie. I'm going through it. Chat, if this wicks, I'm gonna lose it. That was a better close there. We just need buyers to hold that, dude. Buyers just gotta step up. Hold it. The pain, chat. The pain. Oh, the pain, bro. They just don't have it in them. Part of me is like, just take the trade off now. Just take the L and take it off. Look at this. Today is an easy tilt day, chat. Holy shit. Today is a day where the tilting could get tilting. You know what I mean? Easy tilt day today. I'm about to go buy some evals and just full tilt in the evals. I'm about to just go full tilt in some evals chat. I really am. Oh my lord. Chat, I might have back-to-back red days today in personal. We might be back-to-back red days. I don't think I'm going to trade personal again after this trade. I might just take the L and fucking walk, bro. The wicks are fucking insane, dude. Look at this shit. The wick. Bro, it's fucking crazy. Everything's wicking on me. Like, buyers cannot hold a fucking bid to save their life. They really can't. Can't hold a bid, bro. Look at the wick. Look at it. 23-point wick. These are 38-point wicks. Like, it's just... Chat, I'm tilting. I'm actually tilting, chat. I haven't tilted in a long time. It's been a long time since I've tilted, bro. I'm not worried about my red day yesterday. The price action today is fucking with me hard. I don't give a shit about my red day yesterday. It was small. And I also paid myself $10,000. Like, I fucked the red day yesterday. Today is pissing me off, though. Chad, if this wicks down, I'm going to fucking lose it. I'm gonna fucking lose it, chat. My stop loss is in profit now. In case we decide to fucking wick down again. Holy shit. All right, fuck it, dude. Jesus Christ. All right, well, at least we took 150 on that trade. Jesus, dude. Oh. Fucking hell. Chat, holy shit. I have never felt so tilted in my life trading. I've never felt more tilted, bro. And watch, now it's gonna come down and wick out my stop loss that I had in profit, and it's gonna rip into fucking oblivion, dude. You know what I mean? That would be my fucking luck today. You know what I mean? That would be my luck. That's not true. You're right. I've tilted actually way more than that, but still, I have that, dude. That pissed me off, chat. I need to go talk to a fucking therapist. Any of you guys a therapist? We need to have a conversation because that pissed me off. That ruined my day. It really did. That actually frustrated the shit out of me. Feel my pain, bro. Do it. Rip into oblivion. There you go. Yeah, go ahead and wick out my stop loss and rip into oblivion. That's perfect. That's what we wanted you to do right there. That is well fucking executed, NASDAQ. Good shit. Proud of you. Fuck you. All right. We're over it. Over it. These are the days that fuck us all. Yep. Yep. Real good. Real good. I gotta go stream on TRADEIFY today too, chat. Today's not going well. Today's not going well. At least I'm in profits. Yeah. Yeah. I guess. I gotta get right for jumping on TRADEIFY. I do. Chat, help me get right before I have to jump over to TRADEIFY. What can y'all do? Chat, help me get right. Profits are profits. I know. I know. Take a gummy. Nasdaq would just rip after it stops me out too. That's just crazy to me. Crazy. Chat, I've been getting a lot of you guys send me screenshots of using code JM at TRADEIFY. Appreciate you. That is entering you for a straight to funded account giveaway. So remember, we are doing monthly giveaways here. We do pretty much daily giveaways on YouTube, but we do have a monthly giveaway that we do. If you use code JM at TRADEIFY and send me a screenshot, that enters you for a free straight to funded account with them. Multiple accounts get you multiple entries. So if you buy 5 accounts, that's 5 entries. And actually, I think what we're going to do this month, chat, is if you buy a straight to funded, that's 3 entries. We're going to do that this month. If you buy a straight to funded account, that's automatic 3 entries. Eval is 1 entry, straight to funded's 3. Just because they are more expensive. So I want to make that kind of fair for you guys. That's what we're going to do this month. If you buy a straight to funded account, send me a screenshot. That's going to be 3 entries. If you buy evals, 1 eval, 1 entry. And like I said, you can have multiple entries, chat, multiple entries. You guys have been going hard though. I've gotten a lot of screenshots and DMs from you guys. So I know y'all want that straight to funded account, baby. Holy. And you got to send me the screenshot in Discord, by the way. But dude, I know dude, PA is insane. I mean, chat, the PA is fucking insane. Look at that, dude. Holy shit. What's gold doing? Fuck Nasdaq. About to fight Nasdaq. Me and Nasdaq are literally about to throw hands. Gold has some key levels down here. breaking out of its IB, kind of trying to pop back into it. I like this move back into IB though. All right, let's throw on 2 micros here. We're 2 micros long on gold. This will be my last trade on my personal account, chat. If we take the L on this, we're gonna call it a day. I'm not gonna tilt on my personal. That's a good strong move back into IB to see if buyers can hold it. This is an A+ setup for me. Like this screams failure on gold on the IB low. Let's just see if they can hold it. Let's take it off there, chat. We'll take it off for 200. I was two micros there for $200 on gold. Happy with that. That was about 10 points. 10-point trade on gold there. Beautiful. When I'm tilting, bro, I just need to take profits. That's just it. I just got to take profits. That was a no drawdown trade. Beautiful break back above IB low there. That was it, dude. That was it. Could it keep ripping? Sure, but when there's volatility like this in the market and I'm also feeling a little bit on edge, I'm not gonna try to hold for home run trades because I'm just I will go full blown tilt. So we'll be happy with that. But that was A+, chat. I mean, just to walk you through that, we have IB low right here and seeing the break, right? Seeing that break below IB low and then the strength, right? See how we tried to come back down and then buyers saw it and came back in. That was some good strength there to get us a pop back into IB. So that's why I took that. That's an A+ for me all day. Now, the continuation of it's a different story. Like we may get continuation, we may not, but that's at least an A+ for a good scalp. So I'll take that every day, all day. Every day, all day. All right, chat, let's do a duck race. Fuck it, bro. Let's end on a good note here. I mean, we took a good trade there, so that's a good note to end on. But let's do a duck race. Let's give you guys an account, man. Listen, I'm tilting today, and I'm still giving you guys an account, right? That shows I love you guys, bro. Okay, I love you guys. You guys are cool. You guys are awesome. I could just full blown tilt and just get off the stream and not do a duck race and say fuck everything, but I'm not. I'm gonna tilt, but I'm gonna tilt given a duck race. All right, that's what we're gonna do. So chat, here is what we're gonna do. If you're not in Discord, you got to be in Discord for the giveaway. All right. What the hell? You got to be in Discord for the giveaway. Here's a link to the Discord. Make sure you're hopped in, you do hop in. If you're not, we'll pin that in the comments there. And what you're gonna do is in the stream giveaway channel in Discord chat, there's a stream giveaway channel. You're gonna type full tilt as the keyword in the stream giveaway channel. Oh wait, hang on, let me turn it on. I got to turn it on. Hang on. I got to turn it on. Shit, my bad. Hold on. Okay, boom. Y'all are good to go. Type full tilt. I allow the permissions. I'll only type it once too, because any duplicates are gonna get deleted. So you only gotta type it once. Who am I, the boss? You dang right. You dang right, baby. Mickey, type it in the stream giveaway channel in Discord. Enrique G, you typed it in the main channel. Type it in stream giveaway channel. Give you guys 10 more seconds. All right, chat, this will be for 150K select account. Grabbing the names now. 150K select account. Let me get the clean list of names from Chat GPT. Pull up Duck Race here. 70. That's how you know people are in Discord and they just see the stream giveaway channel popping off. All right. Here we go. 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 Chat. Good luck. For 150K select count. Good luck, baby. Let's do 2 minutes. Let me make sure. Hang on, chat. All right, perfect. Let's see. Yeah, perfect. All right, here we go. Good luck. For 150K. 150K, 150K, 150K select account giveaway, baby. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? The tail feathers are absolutely wagging. We got Dustin, we got Iram, we got Tris, we got Profit Per Tick, we got Bo, we got Miss K, Lunar, Artistic, Jenny, Mickey, Edge, MH, Faith. Who's it gonna be? It is absolutely anybody's duck race. Just know that if the leader is in the lead right now, he probably will fall off. So you see yourself in the lead, you gotta maintain the cardio, you gotta maintain the speed, you gotta maintain the violence. You gotta push to the very end, baby, or else you're gonna fall off. Who's it gonna be? Trade by Shazaja. Fusion Funds, Liquidity Core, Lunar. Look at this fucking digits. I don't know who what kind of fucking name. Batnul. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be, chat? I almost just knocked over my candle, and that could have been very bad. Holy shit. Okay. Who's it gonna be? It is absolutely anybody's duck. It is anybody's duck race, baby. 29 is Donald Duck. I know. We do have a Donald Duck in here. Look at Bat. No, look at Compassion Core. Compassion trying to hold on the lead. We got Chamo. We got T. What kind of fucking names do you guys have, bro? Come on now. Paul S. Trader 007. Joyce Fernandez. If you don't see your duck, it's because you're dead last in the very, very back. It's off screen. T. Look at Joyce trying to hold on the lead. Joyce, you gotta hold on to it. You gotta hold on to it, Joyce. Joyce, don't fall off, Joyce. Hamza, look at Hamza. Hamza, are you here? You got a minute, Hamza, to claim. You got a minute, Hamza. Are you here? Hamza, where you at, G? If you're not here, we run it back. I ain't waiting. I'm not waiting, baby. Hamza. We gotta hurry up. Oh, there's Hamza. All right. Hamza's here. All right. He messaged Discord. Hamza, send me a message in Discord and I'll get you a code for the 150K select. Gold dripping. All right, chat. I'm going to call it a day, bro. I can't call it a day. I got to hop over to the TRADEIFY stream, but we're going to call it a stream here. I'm going to take a break before I have to hop on TRADEIFY so I can get my mind right. You know what I mean, chat? So with that said, I will see you guys for Asia stream. We do have an Asia stream later this evening. Just be aware of that. If you want to hop in Asia, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. It will have a beautiful Asia stream later on. Peace, fam.